Hey guys, so this is just a quick update as to the progress of me installing my Microlocs. If you've not yet seen part 1, I will go ahead and link that for you, but this is day 2 of installation and I actually just finished this section right here. Yesterday I think I started this and I came on camera to show you a little bit of it. I am taking my time so far because let's see, altogether I will say the time spent on this so far is probably maybe 5 hours. I'll say I started sometime yesterday at 5 p.m. I didn't do my hair for long. I probably did it at 5. Started at 5. I stopped around 6. Yeah, so I started at 5 yesterday, and when I came on, I think I showed you, but I had been about 2 or 3 rows in, or 2 rows in. Then I stopped at 6, and then I started again at about 7 last night and did another row for another hour, and that was where I stopped. And so I wrapped up these 2 rows today. I think I started sometime around 5 again, and it is now I think 8 o'clock, but I was not doing this for the past 3 hours. I kept stopping and on and off. It was on and off. So really I would say altogether 5 hours it's taken me to do this front section here. I just want to show you my parting. I try to make the parting stacked and as clean as possible. You can see. And as I got here, I had to add an extra 2 because it was a bit too big. You can see here that it's a little bigger. I am not too particular about the size. I'm maintaining a certain size, but if it winds up being a little bigger, I'm not too set on that and not too worried about that. But this is the first section here, and I believe I have about 21 locks installed in this section right here. So far I am liking it. I am liking how it's turning out. I've installed a few baby locks, as you can see right here. So I'm hoping that that size is fine, because I assume that as it locks up it will thicken up. So I'm not too concerned about breaking off, and if it comes down to it, I may just have to combine eventually if it comes down to it. But yeah, I am gonna keep interlocking, and hopefully, I don't know how far. I know I won't be done with this section tonight at all. But I'm hoping that I can at least get midway through the front. And yeah, I will again. This is just a quick, oh Lord, flyaways, huh? But this is just a quick update to show you the progress. And also the parting for the front of my hair, I don't know if you've noticed, but it goes from front to back. So I'm just doing my hair in rows from the front of my hair to the back of my head, and just trying to follow the ones beneath so they look like they're stacked one on top of the other. Hey guys, all right, so I'm back with a quick update. Today is day 3 of installation, and I just wanted to show you the progress. Last time I came on, I think I was a bit, maybe halfway the left side of my head. Now I have made it up and I am almost at the center of my hair. This is the center part right here, and I have this twist here because as I'm working through the sections and I part the rows, I do like 2-strand flat twists to basically keep the size of the rows, uniform, and that way I don't have to keep parting as I go along. I just part and flat twist it, so that way I just work the section as I come to it. But this is the progress so far on the left side of my hair. As you can see, the back ones here are pretty tiny, so I imagine at some point I'm gonna have to combine them. They're that tiny because I was trying to keep the rows or the columns parting as straight as I could, but I did When I got here, you can see it's not in line. I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Jesus, with the flyaways. I'm not gonna worry too much about it. If the parting is okay and uniform for the most part, that's fine. But this is where I am. This side, I think so far I have 43 locks installed. It's taken me a bit longer, not because I'm taking a long time to interlock per lock. That's not the case. I'm interlocking the locks very quickly, but it's taken me this long, and the progress seems slow for the third day of installation because for the most part during the day I am not doing my hair. I don't do my hair all day every day. I am usually doing work because I work from home, so I'm all, like, for the most part of my day I am doing work. I am taking care of things around the house, and then I typically really get into my hair about 5-6 o'clock. Yesterday I didn't get to install any locks at all, so really the progress is between day 2 and today, day 3 of lock installation. This is the progress. But yeah, as you can see, the ends are pretty coily, so you know, this is what it's looking like. I'm liking it so far. It takes a lot of patience. It's taking time, but I am liking it so far. I can't wait to finish. I'm hoping that I can at least finish, you know, like start the right side tonight and get at least this section done. I am hoping I can get this section done tonight and then finish this section by tomorrow. At least I want the front done by the weekend because I do have events next week, and so if I can have the front done, then that would be great. If I can have majority of my hair done, that would be awesome. But I am taking my time. The pace is slow, not really totally slow, but I am pacing myself accordingly, so I'm not too frustrated there. But everything's going fine, and yeah, I just wanted to come and give you guys an update because I promised I will keep you guys updated with the status and the progress. So this is day 3, 43 locks installed, and yeah, so I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like to see these videos and want to keep up with my progress, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys will catch me in the next one. All right guys, bye.